guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a little grocery haul for you guys. This is not how much I buy on a weekly basis. The majority of the stuff I do buy weekly, but there's a lot of extras that I did buy this week because it is spring break. So I definitely went a little overboard on food and stuff, since we will not be driving into town as often as we would if Harper was in school. So I went ahead and bought a little bit of extra stuff. So let's go ahead and jump on into this little haul. Okay, so first things first, I bought this 24 pack of waters. Dasani is my favorite. I got Camden a big bag, or a big box of diapers. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out my angles here with this camera. And then I bought Harper 2 different types of juices. I like these juices right here because they come with lids to put on them, so that's really, really nice. And then her favorite little Kool-Aid watermelon juices. And then in this first bag, I got Camden some of these little teethers. I absolutely love these, and so does he. They are something that he can easily just hang on to and crunch on at the same time. And then I bought some flour tortillas, our favorite. I got him some little strawberry apple puffs from Gerber. We love these as well. We go through those like crazy because Harper eats those as well. And then we got this DiGiorno pizza for either lunch, or if one day I forget to thaw out some chicken, which happens pretty regularly. I bought that for one of those. And this looks like it's a Camden bag. So we got some little crunchies in mild cheddar. We also got little crunchies in vanilla maple. We're going to try those ones out and see how he likes those. We got some more puffs in blueberry flavored. These are a first for us. We bought these waffle wheels. They are whole grains and they are in the flavor banana cream. And then, let's see, mac and cheese, some beans, and cream of mushroom soup. And then, y'all, I buy a ton of snacks because we like to snack a lot around here. And then my husband takes a ton of snacks with him to work every day, since he does just sit around now, so he eats all the time. So I got these brownies for Harper. I got some of this ready rice in the flavor butter and garlic. We're having some lemon pepper chicken this week, so I'm going to try that rice out with it. We've never tried that before. We had a bag of goldfish. And we got a box of granola bars in the flavor peanut butter chocolate chip. These are for me. These are my favorites. I can eat this whole entire box in a whole day. This is a first. We got Harper some Trix yogurt. She saw that it was Paw Patrol, so she wanted to try it. She has never really liked yogurt in the past, so we'll see how this goes. I got my coffee creamer. I love coconut cream. It is the only one I drink now, and I love it. I can pour that whole thing into it. And then a thing of cinnamon rolls for breakfast. That is one thing we do buy every week. Okay, and this one I got some hamburger meat. And then I got some General Tso's chicken. And that is for me for lunch one day, because Chris doesn't really like Chinese food, but I love Chinese food. And then I bought this little bag of shrimp scampi that I'm going to try out. You just throw it onto the stove like it is. Let it cook. I bought that one for me for lunch one day as well because Chris does not like seafood either. I have the pickiest husband in the world. And then I bought this big family size garlic chicken. So we've never had this one. We're gonna try it and see. Have that on standby as well, just kind of like the pizza. If I forget to thaw out some meat that day, we can have that. And then let's see here. Alright, everybody's noses are running right now, so I bought a big box, or a big pack of lotion, or not lotion, Kleenexes with lotion. And then Camden got another box of those teethers. This is a first for this flavor, blueberry and purple carrot. So we'll see how he likes those. And then we all love these little things. The little melts. We got the yogurt melts in strawberry, and which we already know he likes these. These are fruit and veggie melts. So we'll see how he likes these. This is a truly tropical blend. It looks like it has oranges, apples, pineapples, carrots, and I can't tell what else it's got in it. So we will see if he likes those as well. I don't know if you guys can hear him in the background. He's sitting in his high chair playing. Some more little wagon wheels, Apple Harvest. Try those too. I got him another thing of formula to last. And then they each got their own little, I don't know where the other one is, but each of them got their own little cups for the bathtub because Harper doesn't like to share hers. So this one's like flimsy, so I can put it on their head and it won't hurt. So we'll see how this works. But yeah, that's definitely not an every week buy right there. And then we got some tea. Chris got 2 packs of Red Bulls. He got the red flavor and the regular original blue ones. He loves those. I drink them sometimes with them. Let's see here. Harper got Mickey waffles. She is on this Mickey waffles kick ever since we found these. I think I found these 2 weeks ago. I saw them, and they definitely are already gone. She ran out of them this morning, so. And we got some pudding. I'm telling you, we are not the healthiest people around. I try to be healthy, but it's hard whenever nobody else wants to be healthy with me. I got some vegetable fried rice to go with my General Tso's chicken for lunch one day. And then, let's see here. Okay, this looks like, okay, so we've got some corn. Got 2 cans of corn, cream of chicken, some tomato sauce, not tomato soup, tomato sauce, cream of mushroom, some more refried beans, cream of chicken, and another thing of tomato sauce. That's for dinner one day this week. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so we've got this ball thing that I bought for Camden for the bathtub to play with because he doesn't have a lot of bath toys, so we'll see how he likes these. It says that it's scoop and spill, so we'll see how he likes those. Here's Camden's little cup. Okay, so now Harper picked out these little Paw Patrol finger bath puppets. So they look pretty interesting. I'm sure she'll have loads of fun with those. This whole bag is stuff that I don't buy every week. Batteries, makeup sponge and one of those little rubber things. I don't know. We're gonna try it and see if I like that. Some makeup remover wipes. These are my all-time favorite makeup remover wipes. I absolutely love these. We got a pack of Gatorades here. We've got some waters for Camden. This is so cool. It comes, it's 3 1-gallon jugs in here, 4 Camden's bottles, and it's only like $3 for this thing. So, which is really nice because we go through those waters so fast. Let's see. In here we've got bananas. We love bananas around here. More snacks. I got these little things for breakfast for whenever I don't feel like eating breakfast. I love these. My coffee, my Starbucks breakfast blend. My favorite. More snacks. Honey buns. I'm telling you guys, we are the most unhealthiest family. Because all we do is eat snacks all the time. Sorry, Mom. Oh, and looks like here's another thing of corn. Alright, let's see here. Alright, we're going to try these Nutella with breadstick things. We've never had this stuff, so we're going to try it out and see how it goes. Harper got some more little fruit snacks, Paw Patrol ones. Some more cinnamon rolls, more macaroni and cheese, and some Pop-Tarts. These are definitely for me. These are my favorites. And then we got another thing of smaller Gatorades for little Harper whenever she's wanting her Gatorade. And then we got these little tiny Dr. Peppers for my husband. He doesn't ever finish the big cans, so I started making him buy the little cans. So we'll see how that works. And then I, of course, had to buy my favorite wine. Alright, you guys, that is it for this grocery haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that little bell next to it so that way you know you get notifications whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!